Wow! So many treasure chests!
Find all the treasure chests and you'll get a mysterious gift.
I want it! I want it! Found it!
Answer the questions correctly to open the treasure chest. What will happen to the seeds after they are ejected? The seeds will fly into space. They will turn into fireworks. They will grow into new squirting cucumbers. Correct! The seeds of squirting cucumbers will be ejected to different places, so they won't need to compete for nutrients from the soil. Congratulations, you got a piece! Keep going!
Found it!
Besides squirting cucumbers, what other plant ejects its seeds out? Sunflowers, dandelions, peas. Correct! When peas are ripe, their pods will pop open, ejecting seeds farther away. Congratulations, you got a piece! Keep going!
Found it!
Why does a ripe squirting cucumber explode? Because it has too much juice in its belly. Because it's a bomb. Because it wants to go to the bathroom. Correct! When there's more and more juice in its belly, the pressure will increase. By simply touching it, the juice carrying all the seeds with it will be ejected from its belly. Great! You've got all the pieces! Put the pieces together.
It's a squirting cucumber doll!
The treasure hunt has ended. Come back next time.
Quack, quack, quack,